Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shrita. Today is again 5th October. If you watch my last vlog, then you know that we came here in a tree resort. It's called Tree Resort, Treehouse, basically, to spend the night for our anniversary celebration. We reached here already. This is our treehouse, and the name of our treehouse is Chico's Hideaway. That's our car. So let me show you guys around and our treehouse room tour. So yeah, we have a swing bed kind of a thing. Kian is sleeping currently. If he sees that, he's gonna straight go to that swing. So let's go upstairs. Okay, I call it. Let's go upstairs and show you guys around. So a small sitting area. It's a big tree, and that's the entryway. That's the view. We have a camping station over there too, and that's our room. Okay, this is the living room. Oh, it's all in one. On the right we have the bed and the sitting area. There's a small kitchen, fridge, microwave, and that's the washroom. Hi, are you awake? What is that? What is that, Kian? We're going to stay here for the night. Are you excited? Are you excited? That's our bed. That's our bed.
Coffee machine আছে এক কাপ করা আছে
Where you wanna go? Where you wanna go, Kian? Baba, কোথায় যাবে? Let's go to where? Let's go to where? চলো, আসো, 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 আসো. That's a swing bed. Let's go to swing bed. Okay. ছবি ভালো আসতো। There is some bouncy house. They're calling jumping jack. We're going there. So that's the thing. Hi.
No, 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 no.
মামা কি চেয়ারে বসবি যা বস sit sit Kian sit
করতে দাও করতে দাও
Oh no, where is Kian's foot? Where is Kian's foot? Under the sand. Under the sand. Oh, 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 oh. There it is. জুতো ঢুকে যাবে বালি ঢুকে যাবে পুরো
দাও দাও যাও প্লে করো
Come on, Baba. So we came back from the jumping jack. It's I think past 6 in the evening and we are hungry. We're going to have some snacks. There's Kian and some juice. And I'm going to heat up the egg devils and have it. After that maybe we're going to go for one round of walk and photo session too, because I'm not satisfied with the photos I get. I still need more. So yeah, that's the plan. Let's eat something. পাঁচটা গরম করি আপাতত এখন চারটে ওখানে হ্যান্ড সোপ রেখেছি I bring some sauce too. I mean ketchup. Handshake. আচ্ছা sharing is caring. Give mama one. না না আমি আর হ্যান্ডশেক করতে চাই না না আমি হ্যাপি নই একটা শেয়ার করো ওয়ান শেয়ারিং ইজ কেয়ারিং গিভ মাম্মা ওয়ান না না নো হ্যান্ড স্ট্রবেরি গিভ মাম্মা ওয়ান শেয়ারিং ইজ কেয়ারিং না দেবে না মামাকে ওয়ান স্ট্রবেরি মাই one strawberry. Sharing is caring. We are outside now walking. We want to click the pics in front of the resort name, so that's their resort name, if you can say it. So we are going there to click some pics in front of it. So yeah, come on, let's go. Come on.
মিনি
So
পাপা
that's the এগুলো এক একটা ট্রি হাউসের নেম. We are at Chico's Hideaway, and that's the name of the treehouse. I mean this resort. Hello. So it's around 7:30, I think. We all took shower, got ready. Kian is having dinner. There's Jomo, that's me. And after Kian finished with his dinner, like after he goes to bed, we'll have our dinner. Cut the cake. We don't want to cut it with him because if he has the cake at this time, he's not gonna go to bed. So yeah, that's all the planning. Now let's continue. I forgot to show you guys the biryani, but we also had the dinner. I finished it. Shomo is still having it. How is it, Shomo? Even though I didn't make it. Delicious? So yeah. Hello. It's almost 10 in the night and we're about to cut the cake. There's Shomo waiting in the sofa with the wine, and Kian is sleeping, by the way. Let me show you guys the cake so that we can cut it and have it and enjoy it. The lighting is horrible, but there's the cake.
ছুরি নেই,
বাটন নাইফ এনেছিলাম, বাট
ঠিক আছে এইভাবে কাটো, ছুরি কাটো।
We don't even have the knife. I mean, butter knife or any kind of knife. I know. Happy anniversary. দাঁড়াও।
হ্যাপি অ্যানিভার্সারি। ইয়ে
Hello guys, good morning. It's the next day. And we all woke up. There is Kian.
Treehouse.
You were in the tree house? You liking it?
You like it?
So yeah, today is our checkout, like around 11 or 12, I believe. And we are mostly all packed. We're going to have some coffee and maybe we're going outside for a walk, then come back and go home. So that's the plan. Nothing much. So let's have some coffee. Maybe we'll have some bread or fruits like that for breakfast. So yeah, the packing is done. We have the coffee machine, so let's make the coffee, shall we? They already have the like disposable bowls, and there are cups, but I bring 2 coffee mugs from home, so I'm gonna use this only. And Coffee is ready. But Shoma and Kian went for walking. I think there they are. So they're coming. We are all set and ready to go home. There is Kian playing with his cars as usual. Shomo is loading the car. I'm helping him too. And yeah. I'm gonna show you guys around for one last time. Ta-da! Everything is packed and good to go. So yeah, it's good for a one-day trip and we enjoyed thoroughly, honestly. But as there is no activity, but like if you have kid, it only has that jumping jack, and we came alone. We don't came here with friends. If we came here with friends, maybe they have some company and play around. Like we came alone, so as a family I think it's good for one day, and we enjoyed yesterday thoroughly, and today we're leaving. Only like I didn't check it, it's my fault. I thought that we had a kitchen. Like I saw the fridge, microwave, so I guessed there would be stove too. So I bring like egg and sausage to have for breakfast, but as we don't have the stove here, I didn't cook breakfast. We just have, like you saw, coffee, crackers, bread, and that's it. So yeah, that's our kitchen. It's time to go home. Kian is playing there, and whoever he sees, he says hello, hello. So that's what it's been doing. কি হয়েছে? What happened? কি হয়েছে? Kian, bye করে দাও ট্রি হাউস কে। বাই ট্রি হাউস বলো। Bye Treehouse, bye. I'll see you soon. See you soon, Treehouse. That's our treehouse, Kian. See you soon. Let's go.
Let's go.
We'll come again, okay? See you, Treehouse.
Let's go.
Let's go home.
Let's go.
Kari's going to home.
Let's go.